Run for your life. And you got that tree. One, get ready to go. Two, Hold on. Anytime I tsunami leaving, that's what he does do the most destruction. You understand? When I say I dragging every living thing, I mean what I say. You know? Now, I know you have a lot of them backstage. Some of them does boss. Some of them just talk about bad mind 24/7. I go deal with that. And the one wrong with Killer B, he trying to defeat me. What happened in Vegas? Didn't say in Vegas. Jackie machine, fucking clean. If I be lying, I want no evil clean. When it's in me, it's not top of me. Fuck up my tea and I will never ever see. Tell me this is how. This is how that's what I mean. This is how I am. Something I can see me. Look, it's what I mean. What I mean. Look, it's what I mean. Right up what I mean. Get up with this shit.
Take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.